Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Sifat, and he came in for his 1-year follow-up. And Sifat, tell us about your experience, tell us the journey, and tell us about your new hair.
Honestly, it's just a matter of patience. First couple of months, it didn't really get any results or anything, but speaking with Dr. Siegel, he just said just be patient about it, and like the last 2 or 3 months, the hair really started coming out. And now I think I'm at like my final stages, and it's amazing. I can't even tell that I did it. A lot of people can't even tell that I did it.
Now, you also just told me that you actually shave your hair down to a level 1.
Yeah, on the back.
No, your stylist doesn't even know.
No,
you can barely find this.
unless I told him, that's why he knew, but other than that, he didn't even know that I had it done.
And what are your friends saying about the new hairstyle?
My friends are amazed. They're actually asking how I did it, and they're thinking that, it's not real. So they actually try to grab my hair and everything, but, the fact that it doesn't come off, they thought it was a wig at first.
It's your own hair, you go swimming with it, you blow dry it, you put products in it now.
Yeah, definitely.
How many years younger are you with this hair?
People have said I look like I'm 22, so.
I'll let you go with that. For somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant,
I definitely recommend it. There's a lot of speculation behind it. I was speculating too at first, but it was worth it.
And again, this is all his hair.
Yep.
Absolutely amazing. I thank you so much for driving in, especially during these times of pandemic, but it's great seeing just a great hairline and making you feel and look younger. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you have any questions, please call us here at Natural Transplants. And again, Scott, thank you for sharing your story. It's been absolutely an amazing ride. And I expect this hair is permanent. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.